I'm Pranay Jha, born in 1992. I currently stay in Bombay doing my mechanical engineering from MIT Manipal. My father is an engineer and my mother teaches business communication in Mumbai itself. We basically aim to achieve awareness regarding electricity consumption, suggest improvements in your equipments, avoid users being duped by faulty electricity bills, and to provide them with convenient selection of items. Well, what it requires is basically a smartphone with a camera, an active internet connection, and you need to know the cost per unit. It's around rupees 5 in India, and different places have different cost per unit. How it exactly works is you input the cost per unit, then you take your phone to a barcode reader of a particular equipment, suppose an AC, and the application then searches the equipment on the internet, and it tells you how much electricity it uses and what it would amount to your electricity bill by the end of the month after you tell it how many hours you're running. A comparison between a 1-star and a 5-star AC per month, if you're using it 8 hours daily, it's around, you save around 600 rupees a month. So that's quite a lot of money. We can have some additional features as well. It's like you can monitor your expenses. You can have energy saving tips. Suppose you have your AC 1 or 2 degrees higher, it can save like 3-4% of your electricity bill. If the application is used all around the world, you can basically know how much and where everyone is spending on electricity. You can have an offline database that saves time and data usage. So basically you won't need the internet anymore. You can incorporate efficiency analysis. This would come on a later stage when we are using the application for industries. So basically after the first year, and any equipment in an industry would give around 80% efficiency, 60% efficiency. It will degrade after a few years. Then you have smart homes. I mean, this concept is already there. We are just taking it to the next level. You have smart homes that are efficient on electricity as well. The thing is, you do not have a database available on the internet right now. You need to have databases taken from various maybe supermarkets or maybe even companies like LG or Samsung. When you have the database, you can easily get the consumption from the internet. So what we were planning was basically sell it to companies like LG, Samsung, Philips, etc. or supermarkets like Big Bazaar. So we can get their database. In countries like US, they already have the database on the internet. I mean, you scan a barcode of a US electrical equipment, it'll automatically take you to the equipment if you search it on the net. I mean, we have already made the prototype, the database we filled in by ourselves, and it will be a major boon for retail industries and all the companies.